welcome Illinois. I'm Duff, and today I'm doing the AC on my 2006 Audi A4. So, yeah, it's my Audi here. Maybe it's an A6. What, dude? 2-liter turbo, stupid A4. Fucking German models. I like the car. It's just it has so many electrical issues right now, like every other German models. Okay, so see this there? That's where the battery is. Okay, so under here you'll see this thing. This is not it. Okay, that's the high side. This is the low side that you want. This is the one that can fit on your come on, there we go. All right, so just like the AC for any other car, when filling these, you should turn it upside down so that way the liquid goes inside. Okay, now to reduce pressure, I haven't ran this car in a few weeks. Haven't need to. Probably use it sometime in the next week or two. Come on, I'm gonna dump the whole can in there, as much as I can. So it'll be in the high side right off the bat. That's what I'm getting right now. Okay, I'm leaving that plugged in. It won't go anywhere because it's got its seals and that stuff. Switch hands. There's a bunch of switch hands, that's why you see the wiggle. And this one, I drive a 6-speed stick, like the Mustang. I want to see it something really funny. Okay. Now watch this. Okay. Safety feature. You heard that click? Oh, it'll do it again. Okay. There we go. Now, run this in auto. That's gonna keep beeping for a bit. So, just wait for it to kick in. Yeah, I could even do it from the passenger side. Turn up my fan all the way. Lowest I can go, yeah. Start to push cold, there we go. And then that's literally it. You just gotta you crank it and keep going. Now we'll check out this. Now, if I need any more, since I have more, there we go. This now the AC is pushing in. Canister's empty. Remember to cap that back on. Okay. One thing is not good. Yes, you have to remove that to get to that. This is your cabin filter. Okay, I've already cleaned mine a couple weeks ago. Yeah, get it in there. Normally these have like a shroud that goes all the way across. There we go, and like so, and done. I don't care that there was none for the battery, it came that way. And if there is any, there we go, a little release to the air. Alright, let's see if it's really cold now. Oh yeah, ice cold, beautiful. Now I can drive my winter car in the summer, because it's like, like almost every car. That's usually supposed to be pointed down and toward in, because that's where Saf sits. She always sits in my passenger seats of every one of my cars. Now, where is she? Hey, is hot out, Saf? Yeah, you should go in the shade. Alright, that's me. I'm Duff. That's your AC for your Audi A4. 2006 model. I'm just gonna... There, just turn it off. Alright, so, like always, have a good one.